guys. So typically I don't make car vlogs at all, dude, but I'm with Reezy over here, and he has his 2016, what is this, a C7 Corvette?
Yeah.
You know, he has his 2017, this is 2016 C7 Corvette. It's alright, it's okay. He babies it though, it stays in the garage and shit, so. But anyway, this video is not about this car. If you want to check out this car, go to his channel. This video is about my car. Got the 2015 BMW M235I with the all-wheel drive package. First of all, I'm gonna say the car is not stick, so I already know you guys are gonna kill me in the comments for that shit. But I mean, I like it though, even though it's automatic. I have the paddle shifters, and I love this blue. Like, people were trying to give me shit about this blue that I should have gotten like maybe a black or silver, but this is, I think it's called Estrella blue. It's pretty nice. Love it. Oh shit. Don't mind the music. Don't mind Ariana Grande. She's my baby. Don't mind the music. But the interior is pretty sick. You know? Amateur. Amateur level car vlogger. But yeah, like I was saying, outside, the it's automatic. The 6-speed manual option is very rare unless you're gonna buy it brand new, which I did not buy this car brand new. To get into 2015, bought it with 32,000 miles on it. But I like it though. Interior is very clean, simple. You know, got this basic black leather with you know, whatever this shit is called. I don't know, the fake wood, whatever. See, M235. You know, the car is very just clean though. Like, I had the 2008 Infiniti G37, which that was my dream car coming out of high school. So I bought that car, had that car for about 4 years, loved that car, but it was getting high in mileage, so I was like, I gotta get something else. My new favorite dream car is the Nissan GTR, but right now I just can't afford it. It's still too much of money. Even like a 2009 is like $60,000, and this car was around 30, so I'm like, it's half the price. Couldn't do it, but you know, we still out here. We still out here. Eric's new place right now. He actually did a very good job. And there's not that many hood niggas that live over here too. The hood niggas are at a very minimum here. I only saw one police sign, so it's not bad. And you always look at somebody's fridge. You always look at their fridge.
You know what I mean? Like,
see? Sponsored by Heineken, stupid ass. Go in.
That's actually a good intro, bro.
Hey, okay. Got a black whip. Big booty chick. Easy birthday. We at the crib. Shot rack. They call me Young Fabulous. They call me Young Fabulous. Snap this shit on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube.
Got French Montana in here. Oh shit! What the? Let me get a verse, a quick verse right here.
Nah, don't. She left me.
Oh my god.
Bro.
Stop it. Hey, the nigga
Shingle gang.
The nigga ain't ass.
Hey, the nigga had a 90-year-old disease. He's like 25. You got that doctor. He's like, how old are you? Who are you, bro? Who's that guy? Who's that guy? Benjamin Button, that guy. You Benjamin Button, fuck.
Yeah, good.
Benjamin Button, that guy boy. Benjamin Button.
Oh my god, dude. You're weak as fuck. Shingles?
Yeah, that's an old man. That's for old people.
Oh, ugh.
I just eat Pringles, fuck. Shingle gang.
Don't eat ass if you don't want shingles, okay?
Really put that on YouTube?
I am putting this on my YouTube.
Young ass followers.
I don't give a fuck.
For a second, let's try with that.
Probably get winded.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Eric. Happy birthday to you. Alright,
Make a wish.
Make a wish first. Which one? Not that. A new bar with your ugly ass boy. Another one.
Nice, congratulations.
Don't put me on that weekend. I'll break that shit, dude. 26.
Fresh Fit, Los Angeles.
Yeah, how much food you had, bro?
Yo, you don't want to be in it? You don't want to be in it? You don't want to be in it? Just tell me you don't want to be in it.
Nah,
then leave. Get out.
Yeah, nigga, stop putting us in this shit, bro.
Dude, just chill out. I'm not gonna even use half this footage.
Alright, don't use none of it, fuck.
But can you do me a favor? Do me a favor?
What?
End the vlog. I need somebody to end the vlog for me though.
Alright.
End the vlog. Only person who knows how to end my vlog is end my vlog. Eric, you know, Eric, end the vlog. End the vlog.
I can't do it right now, though.
End the vlog.
I'll do it right now.
You know how to end the vlog?
So what did we learn today?
Alright, subscribe here, DM here, exit here, stupid ass.
Alright, that's basically it. That's basically it. That's basically it.